Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the best way to farm money and bones with the new Blizzard fruit. So for this method you will be needing Tiny Task, which you can simply download off of Google. And once you have Tiny Task open, you click here and make sure to turn on continuous playback so that the macro repeats. And you can also change the recording and playback hotkeys if you want to. And then once you've done all of that, go into Blox, and then first thing you do is click on your recording hotkey. You take out your Blizzard fruit and use Blizzard domain. This will attract 5 skeletons, and then you take out your fighting style and you click, you punch them. So once they're all dead, you just keep punching until they've all respawned. So as you guys just saw, this method allows you to kill 5 skeletons at a time. Once they've all respawned, click the recording hotkey again, which will then stop recording, and now you have a macro. So now to play back, use your playback hotkey, which mine is Control Shift Alt P, so that's what I will click. And now the macro will do what I just recorded, which it will use Blizzard domain, and then it will M1 the skeletons to death, and then it will keep M1ing until all of them respawn. And yeah, as you can see, they respawn, and now the macro ended, and now it's repeating itself. It is using Blizzard domain again, and it will keep doing that for however long you want. So you can leave it overnight, and you'll earn a lot of money and easily be able to max out your bones as I was able to. So yep, hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.